So in this changing times of COVID-19, when we are actually having two important things happening in the world, one is the television showing us the increasing number of cases, and secondly, the issue of lockdown, where we are having to stay indoors and spend a large amount of our time inside the house with this fear of something that may happen to us. It's natural that there will be stress and anxiety.
The bodily symptoms include either restlessness or increased sweating, dry mouth, difficulty in breathing, palpitation, whereas the mental symptoms that happen in stress includes excessive worry, inability to concentrate, inability to focus on one thing. We need to train our mind to do other things so that we can manage better. And these things include things which are of positive coping, which essentially means if you are watching the TV, watch other entertainment, talk to your near and dear ones. In the house, do some activities. For example, play games, read storybooks. In the same way, we need to manage our body and our physical health better to manage the stress. So either it can be home exercises or it can even be meditative exercises in form of yoga. For sleep, it is essential to maintain sleep hygiene because most of the days we are at home. Now, depression is slightly different from anxiety in a way that it's characterized by a sadness of mood, a feeling of worthlessness. Hold on to hope that comes by looking at our near and dear ones and by doing certain basic things. For example, exercises, forcibly doing household chores, forcibly talking to others, forcibly distracting yourself. Finally, in depression and in anxiety, when things are severe, don't go for substance use as a method of coping, or don't self-medicate, and in case of emergency, seek proper medical consult or proper mental health consultation.
Do take care of yourself, and when I mean care of yourself, I mean both physically and mentally. I wish you all a good physical and mental health.